will aim herbal fiber blend kill parasites? Now, from an Ayurvedic and Chinese medicine point of view, herbal fiber blend is a very balanced formulation which contains herbs to not only help with parasites, but also with colon health in general and also the endocrine system. Now, it is not uncommon for people to see very weirdly shaped poo and also parasites floating in the toilet after taking the herbal fiber blend, particularly when you combine it with a fast. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button to our channel underneath this video. And whatever you do, have a fabulous day and stay healthy.